Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Draper. I am here with your shared reading, and today we have an informational text called It's a Comet. It has an exclamation mark on the end, so I read it with some excitement. You'll also notice that there are commas that you're going to pause when you read and just take a little breath, short pause, and periods where you're going to come to a full stop. So it's very important to pay attention to punctuation when you read because it can help you understand what you read. It's also important that you do not read way too slow and forget what you've read, or way too fast and not understand what you read, especially some of those harder words. So let me give you an example in the first sentence. A comet is a large chunk of ice and dust that orbits or goes around the sun. Oh no. Oh, I've forgotten the beginning of what I read. Oh, I went too slow. That's not going to work. A comet is a large chunk of ice and dust that orbits and goes around the sun. Oh, that was too fast. I did not even understand what is orbits. I just went right over that word way too fast. I need to find a good speed to read this at. Let's try again. A comet is a large chunk of ice and dust that orbits or goes around the sun. Was that better? What do you think? You try it. Good job. Now, what do you think this text might be about? I predict this text will be about. Good prediction. Well, I have some questions for you. What does a comet look like? How are comets and the moon similar? Where can you find them? That's right, the sky. And our unit in Unit 8 is observing the sky. So here we are on week 2 of Unit 8. Grab your packets and let's get ready to read.
Comet. A comet is a large chunk of ice and dust that orbits or goes around the sun. It is like a big, dirty snowball. Comets travel far out into the solar system and then move back toward the sun. A comet has a main core called a nucleus. The nucleus is made of ice, dust, gas, and rock. It can be several miles wide. When a comet gets close to the sun, some of the dust and gas form a long, glowing tail.
Circle a word that has the same or sound as corn. Underline a four-letter word that is the opposite of be still. Put a star next to an important detail from the text.
Did you find them? Or, O-R, corn, core. Opposite of be still, move. And here I found a key detail that gives me information about comets. So I wanted to know what a comet is. And in the first sentence, it says, a comet is a large chunk of ice and dust. And because the sentence tells what a comet is made of, I know it's an important detail. And I put a star by it. Let's look for some more words that make the or sound. How do you spell or? O-R, that's right. Can you find some more? That's right. Form and orbits also have the or sound. Let's review. Can you find which one has the R sound? The R like a pirate. Where is it? Ah, right here. Large. Good job.